Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another LookFantastic unboxing for you. I skipped last month because last month was just another good month for me and for my family. But I'm back now, so here it is. It is very heavy. I don't know what's in there, so let's open it up. Okay, let's see. Oh no. There's again no QR code, so it's gonna be a very... Oh, I thought it was by Manhattan. It's gonna be a very quick and short video. But anyways, I think this is... Yeah, this is the heaviest thing. This is the Ameliorate Transforming Body Lotion. This is 12 milliliters. So, specialist skincare for bumpy skin, very dry skin, dehydrated skin, rough skin, and ingrown hairs. Wow. And it's a rose fragrance. So, this is what it looks like. More packaging. Ooh. Alrighty, let's smell this. Oh, it's open. Hold on. Oh, it smells really good. It actually smells like roses. Like, not like, you know, those artificial roses, but good roses. That smells nice, so I will definitely use that. My favorite body lotion is by Rituals, the Rituals of Sakura, because that's my all-time favorite scent. But I would definitely give this a try, because I do have some bumpy skin over here. I fortunately do not suffer from ingrown hairs, but yeah, this might be for you if you have really dry skin. Okay, like, is very dry skin, dehydrated skin, and rough skin, is that not kind of the same thing? Yeah, anyways, I will definitely try that one out. And it smells really good too. Ooh, then we have something for our nails. Ooh, Nail Care Effects Raspberry Active Glow. Revives, radiates, and nourishes. This one here. What do you mean raspberry? Does that smell like raspberries? It definitely smells like nail polish. Enriched with sweet almond oil and raspberry extracts, Active Glow Raspberry deeply nourishes and revives nails' natural radiance. Its color gives them an immediate healthy glow. Use on bare nails, apply 1 or 2 coats according to desired result, and let dry. And this is vegan apparently. Now, my question is, can you put another nail polish on top, or is this just a, you know, like an in-between treatment? Like, once you take nail polish off, you put this on for a few days, and then you take it off and put another one on. I'm not really sure, but yeah, definitely using this. This I will definitely not use. This is a face cleaner. Some people use this to clean their face. Some people use this to clean their brushes. You know, it has like a suction thing on the back. Yeah, I will not use that. I will probably either sell this or put it into bookshelf. Then we only have 3 products left. Okay, so let's 2 white and 1 blue. We're going with 1 white. This is the Color Wow Dream Cocktail Kale Infused Leave-In Strengthening Treatment. Can we open this? Okay, so for your hair, I guess. The problem is I don't have colored hair, but can I still use it? After shampooing / conditioning, towel dry hair lightly. Shake bottle well, dispense into palm and apply throughout hair. Do not rinse out. You know, in bold and exclamation marks. Style with heat to activate! Exclamation mark. For external use only. I don't really blow dry my hair unless I'm really in a rush or unless it's cold outside, you know, in winter. Yes. Even then, in winter, I only dry my scalp. I don't even dry the whole hair. But leave-in strengthening treatment. Yes, I will also try that one out, yes. Then we're going with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Hyaluronic acid, provitamin B5, 2% niacinamide, hydrating fluid SPF 50. What exactly is this? Sunscreen? What am I looking at here? I'm confused. Hydro Boost sunscreen. Is it a sunscreen? Apply to face and neck. So I would say this is a sunscreen, SPF 50. That is nice to use. I still have another sunscreen that I'm using currently from Bondi Sands. This is very small. I feel like you could take this on vacation with you. You know, I think I never take liquids on the plane, like into the cabin. Is it not 20 milliliters max? This is 50. I'm sure you can take this on the plane with you if you travel with hand luggage only, but I'm not sure. Did I not read somewhere that they're planning on raising the limit? But this is always nice to have, especially now. And then, last but not least, the Medigate Gentle Cleanse Hydrating Rosemary Foam. Rosemary? Hold on. I cannot use this. This is a foam. I love rosemary. I love potatoes, right? Roast them with some sea salt on and then some rosemary. Oh, so good, so good. So yeah, I will try that one out as well. Basically, you have a whole skincare thing here. You know, you start off with these 2 products, then you put the SPF on. Okay, and then you're screwed because there's nothing else. This will protect your hair as well. This is perfect for your skin, maybe for dry skin also, like after, you know, being out in the sun, by the pool, on the beach, whatever. And then this is also a nice nail care, all in one. I would try it out. I would try it out on its own, and I would try it out with a nail polish on top. So that was everything. Overall, not that bad. Only one product that I will not use, but you know, someone else will use it, I'm sure. Let me know if you had any of these. Is that really it? Yep. That's really it. So let me know if you had any of these products before. I'm going to use all of them. There's not one product I will not use, and that I'm not excited about these products. It's not like, you know, it's not like I've never seen a body lotion, but it's something I can use. I'm happy with this box for once. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you next one.